what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little chit chat, get ready with me. I came up with this look. That was probably an ugly face, but okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I'm back to making weekly videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I don't want to make this video too long just because I do talk somewhat a lot in the video, somewhat. If you guys want to see how I got this look, plus spill some tea to you guys, then just keep watching. Got our coffee. Let me apply some EOS balm because your girl's lips are chapped. As always with these videos, the products will be listed down below if I forget to say them, which I probably will. We're just gonna jump right on into the video. So first things first, Happy New Year. It's freaking like what? It's the 12th, 12 days into the new year and I'm just now filming. I filmed last week and I hated the way that look came out. I didn't even finish the video. I just did the eyes and absolutely hated it, so I just stopped right there. Hated it. I welcomed the new year very sick. Okay, I'm like being dramatic, not that sick, but I was sick. Actually, me and the girls were sick, so this past week was like my my actual like new year week, you know what I'm saying? Which is why I filmed, and then I hated it. Then I was like, wow, I mean, this better not be a sign of how my 2018 is about to be, because I was like very ready for 2018, you know what I mean? But I welcomed it sick. I hated the way the video turned out. I mean, whatever. So, you know, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna push on through. Let's talk about New Year's resolutions. So my New Year's resolutions for my channel is to definitely, obviously post more. If I sound like a nasally little boy, my nose is still a little stuffed, but it's okay. Like, it's running right now as we're speaking. My goal right now is 2 days a week, and that's just the goal, but I intend on posting 3. Does that make sense? So like, my goal is to post 2. If I post 2, great, but if I sneak a 3rd one in there, even better. And I think it's very doable. The 2 videos a week is very doable, but I think I can definitely sneak a 3rd one in there, you know what I mean? But if I don't and I met my 2-week goal, then great. As far as videos, I think I'm just gonna stick with beauty videos. Also, I do plan on doing weekly vlogs, which I'm really excited about because you guys seem to really like the vlogs. And I like vlogging for you guys just so you guys can see more into my life, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like vlogging and you guys seem to really like vlogging too. And Cyrus and the girls like vlogging too, so I mean, hey, it works out for everybody. Okay, so back to videos. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick with the beauty videos just because whenever I ask you guys like on Instagram or Twitter what you guys want to see versus like a favorite video or like a makeup tutorial, you guys always choose makeup tutorial. So I like doing favorites videos, but only if you guys want to see them, you know what I mean? Y'all, my feet are falling asleep right now. Another New Year resolution for me is definitely to get better with my work. I feel like as of lately I've been doing really good at that, and with the looks that I post on Instagram, you guys seem to agree. Speaking of Instagram, I guess that's another goal of mine, is to definitely keep up with that. Sometimes I think Instagram is a bit easier than YouTube look wise. I feel like if I'm posting a video on Instagram, it's just the same amount of work as posting a video on YouTube, but as like look wise, it's just so much easier on Instagram just because filming does take a long time. Like right now, because I'm talking, I mean, even if I was doing like a regular look, it takes long because you just have to worry about if you're in focus. I mean, which I'm not. How rude, interrupting my freaking conversation. It's just like so easy to do looks on Instagram because, okay, now I remember what I was talking about. Filming takes a long time. Whereas with IG, I can just wake up, put on a look, take some bomb pictures and call it a day. You know what I mean? Tag the artist, tag the makeup pages and call it a day. Whereas with YouTube, at least like the type of videos I like doing, which is like talk throughs like this, because if you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you guys would know I hate doing voiceovers. And that reason is because do you hear that? I was just about to cuss, but I didn't want to, so I stuttered. I stuttered like a motherfucker. I'm so sorry about my language. If you guys don't like cuss words, don't watch my channel. I cuss a lot, and I feel like before I used to cut all that out because I would think I have to be like this type of person on YouTube. But the reason, to me at least, the reason you guys stick around is because you guys seem to really like my personality. I always get this type of comments like you guys love my personality, which is great, but I don't want to be on here pretending to be something that I'm not. When I say that, I mean like not cussing, because I cuss a lot. I mean, I will cut out you know, a lot of the cuss words, but I'm not gonna cut out all of it. You know what I'm saying? That's just who I am. Like, I cuss a lot. And like I said, if you don't like it, you don't gotta watch me. Like Manny MUA said. I'm digging the smokiness that we got going on here. Anyway, before I got sidetracked, Instagram. Another New Year's goal is to keep up with IG as much as I can, which I feel like I don't have a problem with, just because I get a ton of inspiration from the people that I follow. You guys, there are so many talented artists out there. I love it. Like, the work that people come out with, I'm like, wow, you deserve a freaking award, because gosh, their talent is just so out of this world, and I love it. So like I said, that's where I get a lot of my inspiration from. Also, I get a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. So like I said earlier, a lot of you guys have really been digging the looks that I've been posting on IG, which makes me super excited, because lately I've been very proud of the work that I have been coming out with. It makes me super happy that you guys like it too. But I think the difference that I'm doing now versus what I did before is I actually blend a lot more. I'm just gonna give a quick little shout out to those who have been with me from the very beginning, because I like look back at those videos and ooh, your girl was struggling, but y'all stuck with me. So shout out to y'all, because like I said, I just look at those videos or even those pictures and I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? Like, you know what I mean? But even then, I always tell people this, like who always tell me that they like my work, or like whenever they ask me like how I learned and stuff like that, I always tell them, obviously I tell them my tips and tricks, but even to this day, I'm still learning new things. Like I said, I get a ton of inspiration from Instagram. The thing about the beauty industry is that it is always changing, always. Whether it be, you know, different shaped brows, different color eyeshadow, you know what I mean? It is always changing, and I think that's the great thing about it, is that eventually you find your thing, you know what I mean? You find what really works for you in this beauty industry, and you stick with it or you grow from it, you know what I mean? You know, brands are always coming out with different things. I don't exactly know where I was going with that conversation, but I mean, whatever. So yeah, those are my New Year's resolutions. I think that's what I was trying to go with there. I don't know. So hopefully a year from now, I'll be able to look back on my channel and Instagram and, you know, be very proud of how far I've come. You know what I mean? I think that's enough smoky on the owl. Smoky. Oh, y'all. I cannot wait for our shit to get here, because my back is killing. You guys, my foot is literally falling asleep. It's annoying. All right, so next we're gonna talk about a makeup rut. I feel like every influencer, whether they want to admit it or not, I feel like every influencer has definitely come across this stage where they're literally just not motivated to do anything. You know what I mean? Not even an influencer, I think anybody in general. Like, if you can hear my children out there, they're probably fighting over one toy. Out of all the toys they have, they always choose to fight over one. Anyways, like I was saying, makeup ruts. So I was definitely in one for a very long time. No, I know that was a big reason why I wasn't posting as much on YouTube and Instagram. I mean, obviously I was gone for that period of time, and I told you guys why, because we moved and stuff. But when I had time to film, obviously here, like in Japan, I didn't want to film, and it was just because I was in this makeup rut. And when I would be on Instagram or I would be on Pinterest looking at all these looks I'm totally inspired by, I would want to do it, but like I said, I just wasn't motivated. You know what I mean? I wasn't like, when I woke up, the first thing on my mind wasn't to be like, oh my God, I want to break out this makeup and I want to do this look and post it, or, you know, film or something like that. It just wasn't my first thought on my mind. You know what I mean? I have no idea why I just spoke like that, but whatever. So, like I said previously, I wake up before the girls, and that's just so I can clean if I didn't clean the night before, which is very rare. I always clean my house the night before so I can wake up to a clean house, you know what I mean? But, or, you know, I'll just enjoy my coffee. I'll catch up on some YouTube videos and stuff. But that time, when I first got here to Japan, I said, I'm gonna wake up before the girls so I can film. And that way, when I do that, not only will I have content to show, but I would have gotten it out of the way, so therefore the day is just dedicated to my girls, you know what I mean? And to my husband, obviously. I don't know, I think the more I just hung around, the more I was like, I don't want to do this, you know what I mean? There was actually like a period of time, like short period of time, obviously, because we haven't been here that long, after I posted those vlogs, like that week of vlogs that I posted when we first had gotten here, after that I was like, I don't want to do this anymore, you know what I mean? Like I really got in that mode where I was like, what else can I do, you know what I'm saying? Then I snapped out of that, came to my senses, and was like, no bitch, this is what you want to do. And the reason I know that makeup YouTube is what I want to do, makeup, like I said, makeup YouTube is what I want to do, is because it makes me happy. Like, this truly makes me happy. Sitting down, talking to you guys, applying makeup makes me happy. You know, I feel like everyone has that thing that calms them down, whether it's a sport, it's a TV show, it's anything, you know what I mean? That's what makeup does for me. It calms me down. It, like I said, it's just, it literally is like my happy place. And obviously besides my husband and my kids, makeup is my happy place. When I come in here just to film, it makes me remember why I started YouTube in the beginning, you know what I mean? So the hardest part for me, and I already know it, is staying motivated, you know what I mean? I will completely be in this motivated mood for about a week, maybe 2, and then after that be like, I'm over it, you know what I'm saying? That's the thing I hate, and honestly I do that with everything, and I'm definitely working on that. That's like a big New Year's resolution for myself, is to not quit like that, you know what I'm saying? I know that if I continue on, I can do it, you know what I mean? Like, if I stop doing the whole quitting thing, I can do it. And I think it's just, that's just how much I believe in myself. That's just how much I believe in my work, I guess you could say. Because if I believed in myself, I wouldn't quit as much, am I right? So, I mean, that topic right there, like makeup ruts, is definitely what inspired me to sit down. Girl, rude. Anyways, so before I was so rudely interrupted, what I was talking about was my back. My shit hurts. I don't even know what I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by that phone call, but ooh, okay, here's another cool thing to talk about. So, I don't know if I've made this clear. I'm not a freelance artist. Like, I'm not. And it's just because, or before, I wasn't a freelance artist, and that's just because I wasn't comfortable with applying makeup to other people. Do I know makeup? Yes. I'm gonna tell you one thing. There's a lot in this world that I don't know, but if there's something that I know, it's makeup. But I just wasn't comfortable with applying it to other people. The only person I would ever apply it to was April. You guys have seen her on my channel for a while. She's the only person I ever used to apply makeup to, but that's just because I'm just so comfortable with her face, you know what I mean? But now I think I'm at this point where I am comfortable with doing other people's makeup. I am comfortable. Well, I can't say that because I've never done someone else's makeup besides April, but I'm confident in my skill enough to know I can do it, you know what I mean? So with that being said, I actually, I got my freelance kit together. It's actually coming in our stuff. Our stuff still isn't here. Yeah, it'll be here when our stuff gets here. I'm really excited. There's a few things that I still need for my kit, which is just like the disposable wands and like lip stuff. But as far as products, I think I have a really good range of things. I also still have to get a few more foundations, but I'm really excited about it. Cyrus is really excited about it for me too. He just knows how much I love makeup, you know what I mean? But when our stuff gets here, I will be up and rolling, which I'm really excited about. I'm actually really excited to start doing other people's makeup. Okay, I'm gonna apply my mascara and lashes off camera just because I still cannot do it on camera. Lashes are on, don't worry, we're gonna fix them later. They're gonna blend in better. I have a few products, a few new ones that I'm working with. They're not new on the market, they're new to me, because y'all know me, I'm always late on trends. Face is primed and moisturized, we're good to go, we're hydrated. Your girl's skin, I said this in my other video, my skin has been treating me good. I think it's just because, you know, better eating, drinking water all the time. However, Flo was in town last week, or actually like a few days ago. She's left though, but you know, she had to leave her little mark. For spot concealing, I'm using the NYX HD concealer. This is such an oldie. I've seen so many people use it. I've heard good things about it. I just have never gotten it for myself, except the time has come, okay? Your girl is branching out with her products because I'm tired of using the same products. I'm sure y'all are tired of seeing me use the same products. So you know, it's a new year, new products. It's all right. Even though these aren't new products, but y'all know what I mean. All right, I'm so excited for you guys. Look who's back to play. The Maybelline Fit Me. I got this in 320. When I got this before, I actually got it in the shade 322, but of course the next was out of it, so I got 320. But 320 works for me right now just because I'm not as tan, because it's not summertime. So 320 works just as well. We're gonna dot this bad boy all over. I'm dropping products. I've been using this since I got it, and I freaking forgot how much I loved it, you know what I mean? So my pores have been like really big lately, and I'm not entirely sure why. I don't know, it's just, they've been bothering me. Like, why are you like, they're like trying to make an appearance, you know what I mean? And I'm like, I need y'all to go back down. Like, anywho. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the NYX HD concealer. I used medium to spot conceal, but I'm actually gonna use glow to highlight and conceal. I'm not sure if I want to buy from Ulta anymore. And this just, I don't even know. I saw this thread on Twitter. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I retweeted it. I don't know if it's true, but the person who started the thread, I guess she used to work at Ulta, and like she said that, oh, if y'all work for Ulta, don't come for me, okay? I'm just telling y'all what the person said. But she said that like when stuff is returned, if it looks like it can be like resellable, they'll like fix it and resell it. Like, I don't know. I hope that's not true, because now I'm like, I am not shopping at Ulta. She says she can't speak for Sephora, but she has a friend that works at Sephora and like they don't do that there. So I don't know. Go follow me on Twitter if you guys want to see that. I retweeted it, it's on my page, but I'm just like, I hope that is not true, because your girl is never going back if that's the case. My experience at Ulta, like I never have a problem. Like, I always check my products when I open them. Like, I always check them if it looks like it's been used, and I haven't had that problem, but you never know. You know what I mean? I'm excited to try this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This was a very big thing like a few weeks ago. I've seen so many people play with it. I got this at the NYX. So the same thing's at the NYX. Like, they don't restock their products until they get new products in, which I think is like once in a blue moon, because I went to the NYX and they had the same ass shit the whole entire time I was there. And then just last night, I was like, ooh, they got new stuff, because this was not here last week. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm gonna go back to the pore thing. If you guys know any, I don't know, any good like I guess skincare regimen I can do for that, or if you guys know any products that'll, like primer wise. Actually, I know a lot of good primers, but I don't know why they're so, like, they're big, like they're really big right here, and it just really irritates me. Okay, so I got this in what, light, I think it is. I got this in light. I didn't see that they had a translucent one, but that's fine. So I just got this in light. We're just gonna pack some on there. Why did I grab that? Don't know. We're gonna tap out the crease, and then we're gonna pack that on. This is my very first time using it. I don't have an opinion on it. But if you guys want to, I'll probably leave what I thought about it in the description box, so check that out. We're gonna come down here and bake. I haven't baked in so freaking long. So I'm gonna take the translucent powder, and the translucent powder, and I'm just gonna come along my nose. So as you guys know, I always use my MAC Studio Fix in C5 to set my face, but I got this new one from Wet n Wild. It is the pressed powder, and I got it in golden tan. We're gonna try it. We're gonna give it a try. We're gonna press that into the skin. Otherwise, I think I did good, but we'll see how well it works throughout the day. We're gonna hit the lower lash line one time, just because I'm just so ready to be done with my eyes, honestly. So before, I think this is another good like trick that I've like worked on, not trick, but before, if you guys have been to my channel for a while, you guys would know I used to hate like dragging my eyelash, what the hell, my eyeshadow like low, but now I love it. Like, I don't know, honestly. I think from right here in the video on out, it's just gonna be a voiceover, or I'm just gonna play some music, because I said all I had to say, and I just want to play some music right now, honestly. So yeah, voiceover music starts now. And that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, all my social media links are down below for you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also give the video a big thumbs up. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.